I decided to take on a little side project. This, ladies and gentlemen, is my best friend from when I was a little kid. His name is Ducky. He has definitely seen some better days, but I love him so much. He's missing an eye, so I gave him a button eye when I was a little kid. I hot glued this eye back into place. I sewed him back up. I sewed his spots back up. It's a friendship bracelet I made for him. Say hi, Ducky. Hi, Ducky. I want to fix him up a little and make him not new, because he won't be new, but I do want to fix him. The story of how I got Ducky. My mom always took me to the dollar store every week. I got to pick something out if I wanted it, or if I didn't have to pick out anything. But one of the time we went after going to the bank, and we went to the dollar store, and my mom told me I had $5, I could get anything I wanted. There's this whole bin of ducks, whole bin. There's stuff so tight that their necks stuck straight up. And they all look like that, except for Ducky. Ducky had less stuffing than the rest of them. His neck was always kind of floppy. And that's why I picked him. I didn't want him to be alone and left there by himself, so I decided he was going to be my friend and he was going to come home with me. And that's what he did. And that's the story of Ducky. Say hi, Ducky. Hi. I'm all finished and looking spiffy. I put his necklace back on him. He's got a brand new eye. That was actually a button from my aunt and actually my grandmother's wedding dress that I painted black. So it's extra special because Ducky's extra special, so he deserves something extra special. I restuffed him, as you can tell. His neck's a little stiffer. Also, I fixed his back as best as I could. I fixed the holes on his head the best I could. It wasn't too much I could do other than not use so much thread this time. So, our friend, he is all put together. Happy Ducky. Happy Ow. My little buddy will go sit up on the shelf with all of his Squishmallow friends where he can watch me create and just be there and hang out and be an old retired fellow. Thank you for watching Moon Mama Studio. This is Al and Ducky. Have a good day.